Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am cash planning for the week. I have $413 that I'm going to be putting into my cash envelope system. I already figured out my wallet. That's going to get $170 this week, which is the usual amount that I put into my wallet for weekly spending. So my spending envelope will get $30. Eating out will get $30, groceries will get $80, coffee $20, and then buffer will get $10, and that is a total of $170 for my wallet. So I'm just going to start calculating this so I can keep track of where I'm at when it comes to this amount, because I only have $243 left, so that needs to go into all of these envelopes here. All right, so I'm going to first start off in, I think, some savings challenges, just so I can get those out of the way. All right, so I'm thinking I'll do the roll the dice one. I already did this. Okay, so I'm gonna roll the dice twice for this one. I need a sticky note, which, oh, here it is. Okay, sticky note. All right, so I'm gonna roll twice to play this game. So we have 3 and 6, 3 and 6, which is a mushroom, that is $5. And then one more time, 2 and 3, 2 and 3, oh my goodness, that is a 10. So I usually don't get higher numbers for this challenge, so got 15 this time around for this one. So 15 is going into roll the dice right off the bat. Okay, I'm gonna put this here, and I will come back to these challenges. Okay, I just wanted to do that one since that one I have to roll the dice in order to figure out how much you want to put it there. Okay. Now onto my envelopes in my binders. So there's some I want to prioritize first, and I think I want to do extra savings. I will do 20. Month ahead will get 20. And Go Wild, I'm prioritizing this one now. Go Wild is going to get 20 as well this week. And I've been prioritizing this one, but I'm not going to put 20 in here. I think I'm just going to put 15. I'm close to my goal for this one, so I'm going to go with 15 for Christmas. And I actually want to do 15 for Treat Yourself. And also 15 for Disneyland, because I'm going tomorrow to Disneyland, so I want to get a little bit more in here. Okay, those were like the higher ones that I wanted to do, make sure I get out of the way. The other envelopes are probably all going to get like 5s at this point, just to get something in each envelope. We'll see how much I can get that going, stretched, how much I can get that to stretch in these envelopes. So auto is getting 5. Electronics will get 5. Emergency, 5. Okay, I already did that one. Furniture will get 5. Month ahead, already did. Rainy day will get 5. Registration, 5. Road trip, 5. Scentsy, 5. Subscriptions, 5. And travel, 5. Okay. Next binder. Lots of 5s in this one. So beauty will get 5. Clothing will get 5. Sorry, it's going to be a really boring one. Actually Costco, I'm not gonna put anything in Costco because I'm gonna put leftover money in there and actually have a little bit of leftover. I think I have $6 right now in groceries, so that will just get leftover money for my wallet. Family will get 5. Gifts, actually I think I want to put 10 in gifts. Oh, getting close. Okay, home is getting 5. Household is getting 5. Pantry is not getting anything because that's already at 30 and that's where I like to keep it. Target's getting 5. Okay, this binder. Okay, I already did Go Wild. That's why I like to get those out of the way first before I start putting money in other envelopes. Fun will get 5. Hobbies, you know, I'm not going to put anything in hobbies. I have not spent anything in my hobbies envelope in forever. I feel like it's been forever. I think I did a little bit last month, but I can hold off on this one for this week. I'd rather focus money on somewhere else. Okay, Curdy did Christmas. Holiday decor is going to get 5. Okay, I'm left with 23. I feel like that might be enough for the cash or the savings challenges that I want to do. We shall see. Okay, August, this $5 one will just get 5. 5. This one, okay, what's the low amount? 4. We're gonna go with 4 for this brain dump one. Okay, I already did this one. 52 circles will get 5, but it will get leftover money from my envelopes from my wallet, so it'll probably be more than 5 for this one when I actually cash stuff. And then I have Cash Dash. Okay, this kind of worked out perfectly. Cash Dash will just get 5. Again, I can get leftover money when I cash stuff, because right now I have 20 waiting, and then that'll give me 25, and I think I want to be able to color in a 30. I still have some 30 spots open. I do have 5 spots, but I'm keeping those open till the end. I do have a 25, so I might be able to color one in my cash stuffing, so that's good. And then I'm left with $4, so that's just gonna go in the dollar challenge. Okay, I think I did a pretty good job with that. I'm happy with all those decisions, so I think that's good. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is just double check my numbers, make sure I do have I have 413 over here, and then I can move on to the tallies. Numbers look good, so I can move on to the next step, which is just figuring out all the denominations. So lots of 5s. I'm gonna ask for lots of 5s, which actually, last time I went to the bank, last week when I went to the bank, my bank didn't have any 10s, so they just gave me 5s. I feel like 10s tend to be the issue. Whenever I go to the bank and they've run out of money, it's usually 10s for some reason. I don't know why, but it is. And then at the bank that I go to, they have an ATM that'll give you most of the denominations. The only denomination it doesn't give you is a 10. And if it gave 10s, then I totally would use it, but it doesn't give 10s. All right, so I got lots of 5s here. Okay, so I can just fill those in. Another 5. We got a 10 here. A few more 5s actually. A 20. And then I have 15, so 10 and a 5, 10 and a 5, and a 5. All right, and then 10 and a 5, 5, 5, 5, 10 and a 5, a 4, 5, 1, 5, and a 4. All right, so I'm gonna count the tallies now. 150. 20s, I need 3, 4, 5, 6. 10s, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. 26. Okay, and then I have 4, 8, 13. Yeah, 13. Okay. Now I'm just going to multiply these together to get the total so I can add them all together and then get the final total. Lots of checks. So 50. Then I have 120, 100. 26 times 5 is 130 and 13. 50, 120, 100, 130, and 13. Perfect. All right, so I'm just gonna write a little sticky note to take with me to the bank. So I need 50s, I need 1. It's a total of $50. 20s, 6. That is 120. 10s, I need 10, so that's $100. 5s, I need 26 of those, and that is going to be $130. And then 1s, $13. Okay, so that is what I'm going to take with me when I go to the bank with my wallet. Okay, put that in here. And that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this cash planning video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch this video. It really means a lot, especially if you watch to the very end, because it really helps out my channel with the engagement and the retention and all the analytic fun stuff that I like to check. So yeah, it really helps out a lot. So I really appreciate you doing that. I usually like to ask like a question so you can help, you know, spark up some more engagement for this video, again, which helps out my video a lot. So I appreciate you doing this if you do it. But yeah, let me know what you're excited about doing this fall. Like, what's your favorite fall thing to do? I love fall. I just love the weather in fall and all the pumpkin spice stuff. Like, I can't wait for the fall menus to drop for like coffee drinks and chai lattes and all that kind of stuff. Can't wait for that. But yeah, mainly just it being fall and being able to decorate for Halloween. Can't wait for that. But yeah, let me know what you like to do in fall, autumn season. That is going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Again, those things help my channel out a lot, so I really appreciate it. But yeah, thank you. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.